Hello. So we are going to open this month's Boxy charm for March, and I kind of already opened it just so I didn't see what's inside, but I opened it just so I wouldn't have to physically open it on camera. So we're gonna see what we got in the March Boxy charm. I thought I was gonna say something else, but I forgot. So yeah. So let's dive in. Ooh, I think I got something I actually liked. So here's the little paper they give you with all the products you got on it. So like I said in my last video about Boxy charms, we're going to just pick one up, find it, and move on. Where's the car? I swear if it's not on here, I'm going to die. It's not on here. Anyways, it's the car lip oil, and it comes in this packaging. Sorry, I'm trying to still get my lights fixed and figure out what to do with my background, but for now we're just gonna have to do as is. And sorry I look like this is my nighttime thing, so I'm just gonna, adult mode is off, so sorry this isn't a pretty get ready or a pretty thing. So this is what it looks like. I kind of want to try it. Ooh, it's kind of sticky for lip oil. Usually lip oils are more of a thinner consistency, but this is really thick and it's in honeydew. But I don't know, it's more like a lip gloss, not a lip oil, but I like it so far. The next is the I found it. It's car. I meant cab. It's hard to tell with the labeling, but this hydrating lip oil is $20. It ain't worth $20. This is the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask, which is good because I've been wanting eye masks. And this retails for $18. I'm not going to open it because it just probably looks like those eye masks I have. So we'll probably use this. This comes with, it doesn't say, 3 individual ones, so that's cool. You get 3 individual ones. Here recording and forgetting my freaking microphone wasn't hooked up, so I had to turn the lights off because my baby was waking up, so I had to just shut off the camera real quick and then just turn off all the lights. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Comes like this, and let me take off this sticker. I should have kind of unboxed this and took off all the stickers, but you know, we live and we learn. Oh my god, this is so hard. No, just kidding. But anyways, here we go. I got it. Oh, she's cute. Look at it. It looks so cute. I like smelling it. I don't think it has a smell. Oh, me. Doesn't really smell like anything, but it is like a jelly consistency. And it feels really good. Oh, it's like a water gel. It's a calming and moisturizing lotion or moisture. Well, it's a moisture cream, so it's calming and moisturizing. It says a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals and lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's a non-comedogenic. Sorry, I can't pronounce big words. And non-acnegenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with banana, chia seeds, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. It's your recipe for a hydrated, healthy looking skin. And this retails for $39. Some of these products I think are a little pricey for what they are, but I think tonight I'm going to try this out when I wash my face and everything. So the next product we are going to be talking about is this one. It is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. Thinner up, she comes in like a protector. She's a little big. I kind of like it because I love that like the, what is it, the Greek mythology thing. I love that. My favorite person was Aphrodite, and this is what she looks like. She's really pretty. She's more like a purpley tone. Let's swatch some. We're gonna go in with the shade Beam. I always like swatching the glitter ones first because I love more glitters. Ow! She's a little sheer. Can we build that up? Okay, so it's still a little sheer. Let's go in with the shade Paradise. Ooh, she's a little chalky. And then we're gonna go in with the shade Rapture. Let's see how that looks. They're kind of like when you swirl it. Let me hold that up. When you like swirl it, you can see it already coming off. So it is very like, it's pigmented, but it's very like, I can't, like a lot of fallout. That was the word I was looking for. Why can't I close it now? And this retails for $38. I honestly wouldn't spend $38 for that kind of palette. I could probably get 2 palettes for $38 at Morphe if it was on sale. I love Morphe. Morphe is like my favorite brand to use. And the next one is the Maven Beauty Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. I think this is on Fashion Nova. I think this is the brand of cosmetics on Fashion Nova. And it comes like this. Let's see. It's a setting spray. It definitely smells like rose. And this retails for $22. It says, set your intentions and your makeup with the aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. So if I do a makeup tutorial, I'll definitely try this and see if it does last for 16 hours. I'll probably time it and be like, okay, set it this time, 16 hours. So we'll see if it locks my makeup in place. I also wanted to show some finds and stuff that I got on Kylie Cosmetics. I haven't ordered from Kylie Cosmetics ever, so I got some products that I will show you guys. I got some stuff from Target, and my Amazon I just got like eye masks and what was the other one, some like hair stuff, but my hair stuff hasn't come in yet. So the things I got at Target was the one that's going most viral, the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I'm going to be trying this in one of my tutorials I do with like all the makeup products I got from Boxy. I haven't done with the other ones yet. I've been just really busy with work and like my kids, so I'm definitely going to try this out. The other thing I got was just an eyelash curler because you need like $35 to get free shipping, so I just got a Wet n Wild eyelash curler. It is rose gold because I love everything rose gold. And the next thing I have is 2 eye pencils. This one is the cottage cheese one from NYX, the jumbo pencils, and this one's just one of my favorite eyeliners I always use, which is the Scandalized Rimmel London mascara. The eyeliner, it's waterproof gel pencil and it's in the shade black. I only use black pencils. The only brown one I have is Costa Riche from MAC because I don't know where I saw it, but one of Kim Kardashian's makeup artists said like he uses the Costa Riche to pop out her eyes since they're brown, and I've done that and it does pop out my eyes. And then I got a book recommendation from my friend Samara. Hey, it's a Cuban Girl's Guide to Tea and Tomorrow. She loved this book, so she recommended it to me, so I'm going to read it. I haven't read it in a while, but she said it was good. She said like it's like boring in the beginning, but then it picks up, basically like TV shows. If they're boring, then they pick up later on. But I am going to read this and let you know how I think about this. And now we're going to go into the Kylie Cosmetics stuff I got. I do have 2 orders on the way for Morphe, so I'll make a video of my Morphe packages that I got. So going on with Kylie Cosmetics, I got the Cocoa line. I didn't know it was the Cocoa line. I just like the color on it, and it's called Bigger the Hoops. Bigger the Hoe. Just kidding. It's just called Bigger the Hoops. But every time I hear Bigger the Hoops, I think Bigger the Hoe. So let me pull it out and we can swatch it. It is like this pinky color, and we're going to swatch it right here. It's like a pretty pink nude color. I wanted some more nudes in my collection. Actually, I wonder if I can kind of like put it on right now. And this is all looking in my camera. I'm pretty sure I messed up on the corners. I felt that.
Mommy, what?
Okay, sorry, I had to pause for a second. My kids needed me. So the next one I'm going to go with is Bougie. I did try this on the other day, and I really like the color. It's a little dark for my complexion right now, just because I haven't seen the sun. But it is kind of like, I don't know, like a burgundy dark purple. Kind of like used that. So here's the lip liner. And then here is the liquid lip. It is like a burgundy, but more of like a purple undertone. It's perfect for fall, so I'm really excited to try these. Or I did try it, but I'm ready to try it with a look. And the next one I got is called Valentine. It's more of like a pinky one. I hope it, I mean, I feel like the packages are darker than what they actually are, or that like the same. Kind of the same. But this one was darker than this one. You could tell. But this one is in the shade Valentine. The Kylie Cosmetics were on sale, so that's why I got them. You could see like a pink liquid lip. I'm trying to be bold and try new things. Here's the liquid lip, as I like can't even focus and do it on my arm. That's like a pretty color. I kind of like want to wipe this off and try it, but I don't know where my thing went for my makeup. Oh, is this a rag? Make sure there's no chemicals on it, because I always mix up my rags. So I kind of just want to try the liquid lip by itself. Ooh, this is like, this is a pretty color. Oh, and it kind of goes, it's hard when I try on lipstick because it doesn't match my face, but it's because I don't do makeup and I haven't tanned. But I really like the color. Looks really pretty. Let me go full in. And I believe this one is I can't even talk. This one, the Bougie, is a matte liquid lip, and I think Valentine is too. I threw the box, now I don't know where it is. I think the Valentine is a velvet lip as well. I think maybe it'll tell me on the label. Matte liquid lip. So those are all the stuff I got with BoxyCharm, Kylie Cosmetics, Target haul. Next will be my Morphe haul, what I got online, and I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul because I am ordering some products off Sephora. That's on sale. I usually go for the sale ones, better than regular price because you get more for your buck. But anyway, this concludes today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!